returned back to our school building on October 9th, which was less than a month after the attacks. We went through about 5 police checkpoints to get into the school building, and there was a lot of controversy over the air quality not being safe. There was a lot of discussion about whether we were being sent back too early, and there was actually a protest the second day we were back that parents launched at the door to say that the school wasn't safe for us to be in, that the air around the school was not safe for us to be breathing. So there were a lot of things like that that happened that were disconcerting, and parents started asking if it was okay if they pulled their kids out of school for a short period of time, because it was clear that the air wasn't safe once we were already down there, and we were told that we couldn't do that. I turned 18 about 2 months after 9/11, so for me, the events of that day really were a breaking point between childhood and adulthood, and because of that, my transition into college, which I went to next year, was a little shaky. A lot of my friends and I were having nightmares, and we were having a hard time connecting with people in college about our experiences with this event. My senior year of college was the first year that someone's death was directly linked to their exposures down at the World Trade Center site. And so I became very concerned about the health of me and my classmates as a result.